So you want to add some cool, creative, and professional effects to your videos, but you don't know how, or you don't have the time. And yeah, video effects can take a lot of time to learn, and if you want to buy some, they can really add up and cost you a lot of money. So today I want to tell you about a different kind of effects site that might be way more useful to you, and it's called Motion Array. So let's get into it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to review cool gear that comes my way, but I also love to share tips and tricks on making videos, so don't be a stranger. Links to everything I'm talking about will be down in the description, plus a surprise link and possibly a coupon code, so do always check down there for more information. So, Motion Array. It's actually part of the family of Artlist and Artgrid. And I use Artlist all the time. They have a great selection of music to choose from. Also, I have used a bunch of Artgrid video clips in some of my videos because it's so much easier to find B-roll there than it is to go out and film it yourself. And having those subscriptions has saved me a lot of time. And you know, time is money. I still think it would be an awesome idea if someone just like made a live stream radio station using Artlist music and maybe even Artgrid videos in the background. But let's stay focused on Motion Array. Motion Array has a lot of downloadable effects for Final Cut Pro and Motion, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Premiere Rush, and DaVinci Resolve. I myself have been using Final Cut Pro for a very long time, so that's what I'll be using. But in that site, you can actually search by titles, photo to video, logos, transitions, backgrounds, overlays, slideshows, intros, LUTs, and effects. To access and download the effects, it is a monthly subscription. And you can download as many as you want with that monthly subscription, and then you just download them and they're yours. But they're also adding new effects packages all the time, so it's kind of worth staying on month to month. So for example, my weekly podcast, Tech is Hard 2.0, we need a new intro. So now I can just browse through the different intros on here and try to find one that I like. We can just preview them and have a look. Pretty cool, a lot to choose from. But you know what, let's select this one. This one looks pretty cool. So we click download, and then it's in my downloaded folder, and then you just have to do a simple drag and drop into a certain folder. It tells you all about how to do that. Now in this, you can easily go through and add and change things and adjust it to your liking. So I'm just gonna put our logo in there. We have a very simple logo this time around. And yeah, that's it. That's all I had to do. I mean, I'll add some music and sound effects, which you know you can get from Artlist, especially the sound effects package. That's pretty cool too. If you want to see it in all of its glory, just check out the podcast. I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. It's a very fun way to kind of get people together and talk about different things that are happening and get your creative juices flowing, as you will. But that's the gist of Motion Array. I just wanted to give you a quick look, and you can actually go click the link down below and get a month for free so you can check it out for yourselves. It's a really good value, and your videos will benefit from that extra shine. And it's also gonna just add that extra little bit of creativity even for yourself, just to kind of step your videos up to the next level. But thanks so much for watching. I have a lot of products to get to, some really, really awesome ones I think you're gonna like. But keep creating, keep making videos. Check out any one of these videos that you see here on the screen to watch next. And I'll see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.